Hey everybody, I'm in my backyard. It's February 18th, I think. And as you can see, things are pretty bare back here, but I'm excited because things are starting to bud up and green up. I've got some bulbs coming up. And the other day I planted about 100 Asclepias seeds. Those are milkweeds for the uninitiated. And I'm planting those because I really want to do a better job this year with my butterfly garden. And that's what I'm here to talk to you about today. I'm really excited to be launching this course. It is not that I am an expert, it's that I'm not an expert. And I think as not an expert, as somebody who has really been striving to learn about this stuff, I've put together a lot of resources that I've used to learn, and I think that it'll be fun to put those resources in front of others and see what you can do with them as well. So the course is going to take place over 3 Zoom sessions. Each session will be an hour and a half, and we will not lecture. It's going to be very much a, let's raise some questions, let's do some research together, let's talk, let's discuss. What questions do you have? I'm going to be asking people to evaluate their sites and be thinking about what are the assets that your site has and what are some of the constraints. And I really want to tool you up so that by the end of the course that you can you will have designed and at least started on the construction of your own butterfly garden. Whether that garden is in containers on the balcony of an apartment, or if it's a 3 by 3 foot swath of land that you're able to claim beside the parking lot, or if it's an existing garden like I have that you have just upgraded to make sure that it's got host plants for your pollinators and butterflies, whatever. I really want to help to create a community of people who care about this and who will spread the word about how important it is for us to be preserving our natural resources and making sure that our pollinators are safe. So I hope I see you in the course. I'm really excited to offer it, and I'm going to offer it whether it's to 1 person or 50. I hope to see you there.